Morning guys, it is Johnny here from Big J's Garage, and today we are going to tidy up this garage because I've got some work I need to get done. It is heading very much towards late fall or early winter, and this place is like a pigsty. So for the next couple of hours you're going to see me buzz around here and getting things cleaned up. Turn on the lights. Alexa, turn on the garage lights. So, yeah, I've got some work to tidy up before this TT goes away to lock up for the for winter. We got to get Birdie the tractor ready for snow, and we got to get the workbenches tidied up. So that I can actually do some work on the Q7 before actually the real winter kicks in. So without ado, why don't you guys go off and grab something to drink, cold pop, coffee, a wobbly pop, and sit back and relax, because I'm going to have to do all the hard work here. Talk to you soon. Okay, let's see if we can get the 1943 Ford 2N tractor going today. More commonly known, or is it affectionately known as Bertie, after my dad. So let's see if she'll start. Now, as you can see, my garage is in a mess. So I'm going to put this on hyperlapse. You can watch it for the next couple of hours, and we can see what type of trouble I can get myself into. So. Now guys, that is quite a day's work. It didn't look like much for you. I think you're going to be seeing probably about 10 minutes give or take. Anyway, that was 4.5 hours to clean up this absolute pigsty of a garage, but everything's back to where it should be. All the tools are back to where they should be, and every place has its tool, and every tool has its place. So with it heading towards winter now, I'm pretty happy with that. So everything's set up, my welder's over here, air tools, everything's good. I even got a couple of license plates up on the old filing cabinets. So with that being said and done, I'm going to finish up here this evening. I'm going to get washed up, have a couple of beers. You can actually see the steam off my head. It's pretty cold here. Have a couple of beers and get some supper, watch a movie and sit beside the fire. So if you like this type of content, give me a shout. There will be a whole lot more mechanical content coming. I've got some work to do on the Audi Q7. I have some work to do on the backhoe, the tractor. We got to finish the wiring for that for pre-Christmas, pre-snow. We got to put the plow back on the front of it. I want to put a set of steps on the front, in front of the clutch and in front of the brake, because it's pretty dangerous if you slip. So I have some expanded metal thread step, which will weld in, so you'll get to see that. And there'll be other content over here. I have my post hole digger. That is, I don't know, sometimes from the 40s or 50s. Currently seized at this moment in time, but we will be fixing that. So lots and lots and lots and lots of content coming. I've changed the channel back to Big J's Garage. I've been known as Big J for a long time. City Homestead Garage just seemed too wholesome for me. So I've been known as Johnny for the longest time. Johnny B. Bertie is my dad. So we're going back to what we started. So I'm Johnny. This is Big J's Garage, and we'll see you the next time. If you like and subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps the channel phenomenally. I love doing this, and I think it's a giggle. I love laughing at myself. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye bye.